Hi guys, it's Robin here from the Dance Physio. I'm here today with another sequence to help you build your dance-specific strength. This sequence is really going to focus on your balance and really challenging your balance and your stability. We're also going to be working on your foot and ankle strength. It's going to work on your hip and your core strength. And we've added in there a little bit for your hip flexors, which are your developpe muscles. So the balance element of this sequence is really challenging. Don't worry if you fall out of it. I might quite possibly fall out of it, but when you're ready, clear yourself some space and let's get started. It is a very windy day today, so bear with us if there's a bit of background noise or the camera goes a bit crazy, but we'll do the best we can. We're going to start with just a very quick little warm-up to get your core muscles and your spine warmed up and ready to go. So everyone come onto your hands and knees, make a flat back. Pull your tummy muscles in towards your spine and curl your back up. And then reverse it, so arching your back. We'll do that 3 more times. And come back to a neutral spine, so making a nice flat back. And then coming into a plank position, keeping your tummy muscles pulled in and your tailbone tucked down. Start with your feet in parallel and your hips facing forward. Engage your tummy muscles, nice flat back. Bring one leg behind you and hinge into an airplane position. Engage your glutes to lift your leg into a slight arabesque position. And then bend your front knee as you bring your arms into first and stretch up. We'll do that 5 times, so 2, 3, and try without touching down to bring that knee up to the front. Extend into a developpe position, rotate, and bend that front knee, and stretch. We'll do that 5 times. Pull the turn out. And without touching down, hinge back forward to your airplane. And again. Keep your tummy muscles engaged. Keep pulling up. Bring that leg through. Ooh. Side fall over and extend. And switch sides. And bend last time. Bring that leg through to the front. And extend to developpe. And bend and stretch. 5 times. Keep pulling up. And hinging back to your airplane. Bringing that leg through to the front. Don't forget to hold your turn out. And finish.